Interrupting is very disrupting. Don't start squawking when someone else is talking. Hello teachers and hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Manju and in this video I am sharing a classroom tips for all the teachers and for all the age group of student. Okay, you can use this song for pre-primary, primary and even sometime in your higher classes, and the tune of this song is loved by every age group of student, even I also, and I feel you will also love this tune. Okay, songs, music and our voice tone is like a magic for our class, which do a magic in our class and make our class more interesting and fun for our kids. So the song and the tips which I am sharing with you all is very useful for all age groups. So you can use it in your class and try to make your class interesting and creative, innovative for your student, and try to mingle with your student when it is needed. So normally when we enter in the classroom after the assembly or after the bell of any class, the students start running here and there in the class. They look sometimes very dull, sluggish, or they start talking too much in the class. So whenever you see this type of situation in your class, what you need to do is simply after your wish, after your greeting to your student, start countdown. Okay, it goes like this:
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now let me show you the example how you will do. Okay, good morning class, please take your seat. Come on fast, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And when you start 5 and when you reach 2, 3, 2, you will see all of your students, they have already sit in their place, and after that you can start your class. So for initial days, to introduce this thing to your student, first you need to inform your student. Whenever I enter in your class, everyone, when I start countdown, you all have to take your seat immediately and you have to be very attentive during my class. Understood everyone? Like this you need to inform your child. Okay. So now the song which I use in my class for my pre-primary, primary and sometime in my higher classes also, because my teaching style is something different. I used to teach, I used to present myself in the class according to the situation, according to the environment and according to the mood of my student. Okay, and the song is for to make or to say my student to keep silence in the class. Okay, and it goes like this: put your finger on your lip like this, shh, shh, shh. Put your finger on your lip like this, shh, shh, shh. Put your finger on your lip, close your mouth with a zip. Put your finger on your lip like this, shh, shh, shh. Put your finger on your lip like this, shh, shh, shh. Put your finger on your lip like this, shh, shh, shh. Put your finger on your lip, close your mouth with a zip. Put your finger on your lip like this, shh, shh, shh. Put your finger on your lip like this, shh, shh, shh. Put your finger on your lip like this, shh, shh, shh. Put your finger on your lip, close your mouth with a zip. Put your finger on your lip like this, shh, shh, shh. And the next song is for when we are talking with someone, and that time when some of the students start talking, start interrupting us, that time you can sing this song. Okay? Interrupting is very disrupting. Don't start squawking when someone else is talking. Interrupting is very disrupting. Don't start squawking when someone else is talking. Repeat. Interrupting is very disrupting. Don't start squawking when someone else is talking. So that's all about today's video. I hope you found this video helpful for you. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you're new. See you again in the next video with a fresh topic. Till then, take care, goodbye and happy teaching.